Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. This is Dr. Shruti here, physical therapist. So I am starting teaching with the subject medical physiology with the book Sembu Lingam. You can refer this book. So we'll be starting with chapter number 1, that is cell. So I'll be showing book throughout my video. If in case any of the student do not have book with them, they can relate to the teaching part and even make their notes while I'm teaching. Alright, so starting with the introduction. Cell. So what is cell? All the living things are composed of cell. A single cell is the smallest unit that has all the characteristics of life. Cell is defined as a structural and functional unit of living body. जितने भी लिविंग थिंग्स हैं, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स है, सेल एक ऐसा यूनिट है, सबसे छोटा यूनिट है जो सारे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स में प्रेजेंट होता है. एक सेल में वो सारे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं लाइफ के जो कि एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म में होते हैं. सेल जो है वो स्ट्रक्चरल और फंक्शनल यूनिट डिफाइन किया गया है किसी भी लिविंग बॉडी का. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द सेल, तो हर एक सेल जो होता है बॉडी में, इट नीड्स न्यूट्रिशन एंड ऑक्सीजन, produces its own energy necessary for the growth, repair and other activities, eliminate carbon dioxide and other metabolic waste, maintain the medium that is the environment for its survival, shows immediate response to the entry of invaders like bacteria or toxic substance into the body, reproduces by division. There are some exceptions like neuron which do not reproduce. So it was basic about cell. Cell क्या होते हैं और cell के characteristics क्या होते हैं. Now when we talk about tissue, तो tissue is defined as a group of cell having similar function. वो cells का group जिनके same functions होते हैं, उनका group जो है वो मिलकर tissue बनाता है. There are many type of tissue in the body. All the tissues are classified into 4 major types which are called as the primary tissues. Primary tissue include number 1 muscle tissue, number 2 nervous tissue, number 3 epithelial tissue and number 4 connective tissue. Muscle tissue के अंदर आता है skeletal muscle, smooth muscle and cardiac muscle. Nervous tissues के अंदर आते हैं neurons and other supporting cells. Epithelial tissues में आता है squamous, columnar and cuboidal epithelial cells. Connective tissues में आते हैं connective tissue proper, cartilage, bone and blood.